Roseate spoonbills are breathtaking. With their pink coloration, oddly shaped bill, and large size, they tend to stand out in a group of birds. They are native to South America, Central America, and the southern United States, and tend to forage a little differently than the herons or egrets they may be flocking with, holding their body more horizontally and using their bill to look for food. Unfortunately, roseate spoonbills were almost hunted to extinction in the 1800s because their colorful feathers were popular in the fashion industry. In the 1900s, they started recolonizing along the Gulf Coast, and thankfully, they are now fairly common in their native habitats. Enjoy these 5 fascinating facts about these beautiful birds. Number 1. They get their pink color from their food. Just like flamingos, roseate spoonbills get their pink coloration from what they eat. Crustaceans and other invertebrates that are ingested by roseate spoonbills contain a pigment called carotenoids, which turns the spoonbill's feathers pink over time. The more carotenoids they ingest, the deeper the color. Juveniles are often a paler shade of pink, while adults are brighter with darker pink shoulders. Number 2. They can go bald. Much like humans, who can lose their hair as they get older, roseate spoonbills can also lose feathers on their head as they age. Juveniles are often seen with a fully feathered head, while adults normally have a bare yellowish-green colored head. The oldest roseate spoonbill was nearly 16 years old and was captured and released in Florida during a study in 2006. Number 3. They're the only American spoonbill species. There are 6 different spoonbill species in the world, but only one of them can be found in the Americas. The others live in Asia, Africa, Europe, and Australia, and are known as the Eurasian spoonbill, royal spoonbill, black-faced spoonbill, African spoonbill, and yellow-billed spoonbill. Number 4. They're not born with their distinctive bill. Roseate spoonbills are actually born with a regularly shaped bill. As they grow, it starts to flatten out around 10 days old, and by around 40 days, it is nearly at its full size and shape. Number 5. Their weird bill helps them feed. It might seem obvious, but a bill so unique must serve an interesting purpose. The spoon-shaped bill of the roseate spoonbill helps them to find food in the water. They can often be seen moving their head back and forth as they feel for food, such as aquatic invertebrates and fish. Roseate spoonbills are amazing, colorful, and majestic birds, and we hope you've enjoyed these 5 facts about them. Have you ever seen them in the wild? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Badgerland Birding.